What's going on, everyone? It's your girl RC84Films here. Like always, thanks for watching. Well, I wanted to get on here and give you guys a little update on the Samson tugboat build project. Now, if you've been following along with this build series, I do thank you for taking the time for watching. And if you're just tuning in for the first time, thank you for watching as well. So I've been working on the Samson tugboat build project for about a month now here. It's been one of my longest builds here on the channel. It's also been my first ever RC boat build project on the channel and my first time doing something like this. I have never done it. I think the 6 years I've been in RC, I've never actually built my own RC. I've always customized them to my liking, but never actually full-fledged built one from scratch like I done with the Samson tug here. Now I'll talk a little bit about this project because I was going to do part 8 of the video, which was going to be installing all the little scale items and stuff like that on the boat. But I decided to not do it and just go ahead and work off the camera so I can get this boat completed. So I worked on it this past weekend, installing all the little scale items, tidying up all the electronics and all, and do a little test run of the boat before I actually put it out in a good sized pond, which I'll show you the running video of that as I was testing it out. Now I had a few issues while doing all this. One issue I had was my original controller that I was going to use, which was this Spectrum 2.4 gigahertz marine technology controller that came out of my ProBoat 26 it was. Somehow or another I lost the binding. The codes lost each other. I guess the transmitter and the receiver lost each other somehow. I don't know. And the thing is, I don't have the binding plug for it. So if you guys know a way of hooking up this controller back to the receiver, let me know. This is the Spectrum MR200 2-channel sports receiver marine one. So if you know how to hook this controller up, leave me a comment down below. Let me know how to hook this up. So that was a big oh man, because that was the only controller system I really had. I had like 2 other Traxxas controller with receivers laying around, and I sold them, and what a waste. I sold them and I should have kept them. But hey, when somebody offers you some money for something, you might have to give it up. So I had to break out my crawler and tear out my other Spectrum controllers. This is the DX2E. So I had to break that one out of it. I didn't want to, because I had all my stuff there nice packed in nice and organized. Now I had to go back and redo it again, but oh well. So another issue I had with the boat was the rudder system. Alright, I've talked about that in part 7 of the video series about installing the rudder. I figured out how to attach the servo to the rudder arm, but I didn't know how to put the rudder piece, the actual rudder itself, onto the rod because of how the false kill is. Because it's like this, it has a gap right here where the rudder sits at, alright? And so I didn't know exactly how to get that rod up in there and glue the rudder onto the rod. So I had to try to do some other thinking. So I got with some people on some of the RC Facebook pages who built the Samson tugboat already. I asked one guy, he's like, I did mine early on in the build. Another guy said he did his this type of way, but I'm the type of person where I kind of have to see it to do it. So I had to think up my own way. So I actually had cut a little bit of the false keel on the rear off, just so I can actually fit the rudder up there, which I got that on there, which you'll see that here in just a little bit. So I solved that issue. And then another issue I had was running the boat, which you'll see in the little test video of it running in my bathtub there. That I had a little bit of a leak issue, which I'm trying to solve that issue. It's one little area that's leaking, and I know where it's coming from. I applied the epoxy and glue on it, and hopefully that will solve that issue. So yeah, but I want to go ahead and show you the boat, what it looks like now, because I got all the little scale stuff on there. So let's hopefully the camera will be my friend here and focus. So here it is. Boop, boop, boop. There it is. Got some little scale tires on there. I got a couple of my model cars that are missing tires right now. A Corvette Stingray and a Hummer H1 are missing some tires. But there they are. They're all in there. And as you see here on the back, I got some little scale guys. If my camera will focus with me. There you go. Got some guys working back there. Also got a little guy up in the bridge. If you can see him, I don't try to, he's right there. And we turn it over. Got another little guy working there. So I got that done. All turning out pretty nice. Focus, camera, focus on me. Come on. Focus. Focus. Alright. Camera was focusing on something else. So, now I got all the electronics installed and everything like that. Show you this one thing I added to the boat to give it a little bit more life to it, okay? I decided to add my RC sound unit to the boat, so give it a little more life, like I said. So let's go ahead, turn the controller on, and we'll turn the switch on, which is right here, if I can get to it. And ready. Got a nice little turbo diesel sound from my little tugboat here. I disconnected the motor so I can run it. So here we go. And I'll show you what I've done with the rudder. As you see, I cut a little bit of false kill off of it, so that way. So, there it is. And let me go ahead and cut this off. Alright, so there it is, the Samson tugboat almost all completed. All I were ready to do is let that epoxy and glue dry on the where I think the leak's coming from. Hopefully I solved the issue. I'll run it a few times before I actually take it out. Hopefully the next video that you see is going to be the running video, the main launching, the main voyage for the Samson tugboat. So hopefully it'll come out here very soon. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment if you have any kind of questions or whatsoever. Also visit the channel's Facebook page at facebook.com/LRCCrawler25. You can see all the pictures and videos, which I'm in the process of uploading all the videos from part 7, which was paint and body work. I think it was paint body. No, that was part 6. I lost track of what part I'm at. Okay, so yeah, all the pictures will be up on there. So definitely make sure you go through that page, like it. I'll put the links down in the description box and all that. And yeah, okay. Until next time, I will see y'all, and hopefully the D-Day of the Samson tug. Thanks for watching. back on it.
But it's floating.